Hi everybody, my name is Jordan. I'm an application engineer here at CAD Dimensions. Many of you who use GrabCAD Print Pro have probably heard of FixtureMate. FixtureMate is the latest update to GrabCAD Print Pro that allows users to design and create fixtures for 3D printing and rapid implementation. It's touted as being a game changer, saving teams tons of time in the design process. But just how fast is it? So today, we'll be creating a fixture for this part here. You can see it's a model of a 90-degree pipe bend with a flange at the bottom. And we'll be comparing how long it takes to make a fixture for this part in FixtureMate versus in SolidWorks. So let the race begin. So once we have GrabCAD Print Pro open, first step is to start FixtureMate. We gotta start our timer 2. We'll bring in our part file. We're using a SolidWorks part file today. A variety of file types are accepted into FixtureMate though. Once our part's optimized, we'll orient to make sure we're in the correct position and angle. We'll create our base plate. I make it about 1/8 of an inch thick and oversize the XY plane by about 1/4 inch. You'll see the base plate now conflicts with our part. So we'll just go and we'll move the part up in the Z direction. That way we have a gap between the bottom of our part and the top of the base plate. I'll have a couple of supports. We'll be using one cylindrical support today for the flange area of the part, and one rectangular support for the end of the pipe there on the right. We'll do a little bit of fine tuning with the dimensions here and the positioning of each of the supports. And then we'll enable the subtract workpieces feature, which will then carve out the part of our fixture where it is intersecting with the part file, and we'll use a 10,000ths clearance to make sure we have enough wiggle room. And of course we don't want it moving around when we're drilling, so we'll add a clamp. FixtureMate does come with a library of Destaco clamps. Put one on the side there and spin it around just to make sure our base plate's a little bit smaller. Then we'll move our contact point so that way the clamp is not conflicting with the part itself. A little bit more. There we go. Perfect. Now we'll add a label to our fixture just so we remember what it's for, so it doesn't get lost in the shop. We'll emboss it by about 100,000ths of an inch. It doesn't look like there's anything there, but once we rotate, you can see that that text is now extruded. And we'll add a simple through hole. That way we can hang it up on a piece of pegboard on the walls so we can keep our work area clear. And last but not least, we'll add a honeycomb interior. That way we can save some 3D printing material. I'm just going with the default settings for this. Now you can see our bottom and interior of our supports are all honeycomb. Our clamp is no longer conflicting, and we have a completed fixture. Make sure we'll save our work. And we'll push it out to GrabCAD Print Pro. Okay, that's it. We're done. Using FixtureMate, we designed this fixture in a little under 3.5 minutes. I spoke to one of my colleagues who's very proficient at SolidWorks, and she said if she was creating this off of a drawing, it would take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. So using FixtureMate, we saved half an hour. And this is a relatively simple fixture as well. Imagine more complex parts with more complex geometry. While applications are different and needs will vary, FixtureMate has the ability to save you and your team hours upon hours of design time. If you're interested in learning more about FixtureMate or you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on our website.